I'm single, but I'm not one of those single people who get depressed when Valentine's Day rolls around. I mean, how can you hate on the holiday when it's an excuse to eat chocolate? I'm sure there's a National Chocolate Day, but isn't Valentine's Day the unofficial chocolate day? You should make these heart-shaped chocolate chip cookies for your sweetie. They are so soft and chewy, it might be my new favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. And if you hate Valentine's Day or hearts, just make them in bar or cookie form. First, cream together 2/3 cups of unsalted softened butter with a half cup of white sugar and a half cup of dark brown sugar. Now add 1 egg and mix it in. Now add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix in your pre-mixed dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a heaping half teaspoon of salt. Start with the electric mixer first, then switch to a spatula. When it's almost all mixed, throw in 6 ounces of any kind of chocolate. Fold in, but don't overmix. Now, if you were making drop cookies, you would chill the dough, but since these are cookie bars, I went ahead and poured and spread the batter in a 9 by 9 inch ungreased pan. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for around 20 minutes. A toothpick inserted should come out with moist crumbs. Do not overbake. Let cool for 10 minutes, then cut out heart shapes, but don't remove them from the pan yet. Cool for another 20 minutes. And then remove them. Once they're removed, then refrigerate. If desired, you can decorate these cookies. I melted some chocolate with a little bit of coconut oil, and I then dipped the cookies in the melted chocolate. I then put them on a parchment-lined sheet and put them in the freezer. I put the leftover chocolate in a bag, snipped the end, and piped lines on the cookies. Then I put the cookies back into the freezer. Then I melted white chocolate, this time without any coconut oil, and then I did the same thing. I piped lines of the white chocolate onto the cookies. I didn't have heart sprinkles, so I used some pink sugar pearls for a final touch. Enjoy.